Get ready to go nuts over Squirrel Smackdown, the hilarious card game that's as easy to learn as it is fun to play. So here's the scoop. The game is super fast and simple. It is perfect for anyone who wants a quick and easy game night. You just need to collect 5 nut cards of the same kind to win, but be warned, things can get nutty fast. You get to steal, swap, and smack down. So you keep your opponents on their toes with cards that let you steal nuts, force them to discard cards, and more. With its quick gameplay and strategic elements, Squirrel Smackdown is a game you'll want to play over and over again. On top of that, the game is intended to be open world, so you can make your own rules. Isn't that great? A quick disclaimer here. I received this product free to try, but it is so much fun. Highly recommend it.